Welcome. Is there a problem in the marital relationship? Do not worry, as there are 5 herbs to treat frigidity naturally without drugs. Let's get to know her. Ginseng. It is characterized by its strong effect in increasing sexual desire, as it was found to have an effect similar to sex hormones, as it people get rid of stress. Treat premature ejaculation and erectile dysfunction. In order for the ginseng herb to be more effective, mix a little of it with a spoon cedar honey, as well as a little boiled ginger drink, and it is drunk once a day. Cardamom herb. Cardamom is used to treat sexual weakness and apathy, as well as weak ejaculation, as it contains cineole, which helps increase blood flow to the sexual organs, thus increasing desire. Cardamom is used in this matter by boiling a small amount of cardamom seeds in water and regularly drinking a cup daily. Within a few weeks, you will notice an improvement in sexual desire. Herb fenugreek. Fenugreek is one of the most prominent herbs that contribute significantly to treating impotence and improving sexual health in general. The fenugreek is used in this matter by boiling a small amount of fenugreek seeds in water, and regularly drinking a cup of fenugreek daily, and after several weeks, you will notice an improvement in sexual desire. Wheat germ. Herbs for the treatment of sexual apathy, most notably wheat germ. Wheat germ powder contains a large percentage of vitamin E, which helps improve the functions of the reproductive system and treat sexual apathy. It is preferable to mix wheat germ powder with white honey, and take a spoonful daily to get the maximum benefit from it. It is worth noting that it is important to consult a doctor about these herbs before taking them, as they are associated with some side effects if taken in the wrong way. Saffron. Saffron is one of the most prominent herbs for the treatment of erectile dysfunction, as it helps in raising the efficiency of blood circulation, and thus blood flow to the penis, reducing the pressures that a man feels and affect his desire. Thus, the strength of the erection increases. To obtain the desired benefits of saffron, a few saffron seeds are placed in boiling water and left covered for a few minutes. Then it is filtered and drunk, and a spoonful of saffron oil can be taken daily. In the end, this information was studied by specialized professors and scientists. And I hope that you do not drink too much herbs, drink them in moderation and do not drink them altogether. Goodbye.